Hello and welcome. In this first episode, we will clarify a concept that seems simple yet generates the most serious errors in student projects and in professional practice: what a project really is, and, just as important, what it is not. If this distinction is not clear from the beginning, everything that follows: objectives, planning, costs, and risks will be built on a faulty foundation. In everyday language, the word project is used incorrectly very often. For example, I am working on a project when referring to routine activities. The project is the list of tasks, which is incorrect. This is a permanent project, which is a contradiction. In project management, these are not minor semantic issues. They lead to incorrect planning, invalid evaluations, and ultimately project failure. In everyday language, the word project is used incorrectly very often. For example, I am working on a project when referring to routine activities. The project is the list of tasks, which is incorrect. This is a permanent project, which is a contradiction. In project management, these are not minor semantic issues. They lead to incorrect planning, invalid evaluations, and ultimately project failure. That is why the first step is to establish a precise and shared terminology. According to the academic literature and the course material, a project is a temporary, organized effort carried out with limited resources in order to create a unique result. This definition contains four essential elements. Temporary, it has a clear beginning and end. Organized, it is not improvised work. Limited resources, time, money, people. Unique result, it is not repeated in exactly the same form. A project exists only as long as that unique result is being pursued. Once the result is delivered, the project is formally closed. One of the most frequent confusions is between projects and operations. Operations are repetitive, ongoing, focused on maintaining current functioning. Projects, in contrast, are temporary, oriented toward change, focused on creating something new. An example from automation and applied informatics: the daily operation of an information system is an operation. The design and implementation of a new information system is a project. If an activity continues indefinitely, it is not a project. Another common source of confusion involves these terms. A project aims at a unique result. A program coordinates multiple interdependent projects in order to obtain integrated benefits. A portfolio selects and prioritizes projects and programs according to organizational strategy. These are not levels of size. They are different managerial mechanisms. A project does not become a program simply because it is large. It becomes a program only if the focus shifts from individual deliverables to integrated benefits. In the course material, the project is represented through a clear conceptual sequence: problem or opportunity, formalized intention, project, coordinated activities, identifiable deliverables, unique result, evaluation, and closure. This logical chain should guide you every time you design a semester project. If you cannot clearly explain each step in this sequence, the project is not properly defined. Let us summarize the essentials. A project is not a list of activities. A project is a formalized intention to produce change. Activities are the means, not the goal. Deliverables and objectives define success. In the next episode, we will discuss why project management emerged as a distinct discipline and why intuitive coordination is no longer sufficient in complex technical systems. That is why the first step is to establish a precise and shared terminology.